Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today is a review of the 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver Remote Control. This is a very special review, and it took me a while to get this. This is a very special thing to me, so this is going to be a great review. So when you first get your screwdriver out of its plastic packaging, you'll get this nice cardboard box here, with an illustrated screwdriver on the front here. Doctor Who 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver Universal Remote Control written there. Some information from the front is what it does. This is from the wandcompany and it's got some more information about it in the bottom. Doctor Who logo on each end. That's the box. When you open that, this will be covered in a plastic bag and you'll take that off and get a nice embedded screwdriver on the front here. From Company Limited, indented on the back there. Opening it up here, you can see the screwdriver is nicely concealed in this box here. Here's the screwdriver itself. The USB charging cable, and just a cloth that I use. Opening up the first foam pad here, you get the magnetic stand that comes with the screwdriver. So that is you just stand the screwdriver. Which is very nice. And then the other foam padding, has a nice diagram X-ray of the screwdriver. Then a lot of information on how to use it. To get this back in here, you just push this inside. Back of the phone. And it goes nice and snugly in there. So let's get on to the actual screwdriver itself. Here it is, a nicely 3D scanned version of David Tennant's Sonic Screwdriver. It's very, very nice. It does extend. To turn it on, it's got a button on the slider which does follow the actual screwdriver. You just hold it down and it will turn green. And it's in practice mode, so you can practice your gestures. And that's control mode to control my TV, and you can have quiet control mode. Now FX mode is very nice for cosplaying, so sorry. And this screwdriver does have the Doppler effect, so they sort of added in a Doppler effect. There is a speaker inside that area, and the bottom does screw off here, and that there is what keeps it down and closed. As you can see, there is the end cap here. There we go. I was talking to Chris Bernardo, email. No, I will not be giving the email. Chris Bernardo, the person who works in the UK for the Wand Company. So, and you also have double press it and hold it. So, like this. We do these taps. Wait, once you get it. Anyway, that's very nice. I like the way the light fades out. Of course there is a delay so that it acknowledges that you're trying to use a sound effect. But it would have been nice to be able to like press maybe 5 times, change back to practice mode and control mode so that you can just go as soon as the light turns on. To charge this, of course, you get your charging cable out. You plug this into one of these. Maybe if you have an Apple product you can use one of these. See? So that plugs in like that. And so then plug that in, the light will go red, it'll be green when it's charged and it takes about 2 hours. So that's the charging cable. I'm not going to go through detail, there's too much detail in the screwdriver. I just want to say that it is actually a highly detailed screwdriver. And by the way, these are toys for adults. People around 10 years old and under I don't think should be allowed to have one of these because they are supposed to be taken care of by like teenagers and older. 14 years and over I think these are for. So now there's a way of entering test mode and it's like this. Just keep holding. There you go. Now if you ever have troubles with the this getting really stuck, like it would be like this, if you can hear how crunchy that is. I just screwed mine on a bit more and it's a lot better. Because if you can see on the inside when I take this off, there's a big, there you go, there's a big line inside there caused by that. So if you want it to move, don't screw it the way to unscrew it. Just really hard screw it to screw on, and then you'll get it loose, and then you can unscrew it and do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that is the Sonic Screwdriver Universal Remote Control. I hope you have a great day, guys. I'm going to be doing another review soon. And just, you know, stay legit, guys.